having issues with driver installation, let's fix that. So what you're going to do is you're going to uninstall your driver completely. So maybe when you're installing your driver, you have some bits of the old driver still hanging on to your system32 folder. So we need to get rid of the previous driver completely before we can install a new driver. So recommended is to check out my DDU video. So the link will be somewhere here on this in this video and in the description below. So in that video I'll guide you on how to use DDU to completely uninstall your previous generation driver and then install a newer driver. So everything's in that video, and to install the driver you can just go to NVIDIA. Okay, this link will be in the description below. You can either click for this get automatic updates, just click for gamers or creators, or if you know what's your graphic card, you can just search it here and then just find the latest update and install it. Okay, that is for fix number 1. So for fix number 2, guys, it's pretty straightforward. You want to go into your Windows here, search bar, and then you're going to type in check for updates right here. So make sure you check for updates and make sure all of the updates have installed, because sometimes Windows Update does download and install NVIDIA updates if it detects that NVIDIA doesn't have a proper update, so it can clash with the newer driver that you're trying to install, or a driver that you're trying to install just basically from the start. So to stop the hindering between drivers, I would say check for updates, make sure there's no updates and Windows Update is just done, and go and do the DDU method install and then try to reinstall the driver. So hope one of these fixes your problem, and yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.